Oh my God, I'm a hot mess right now, dude. I don't know what fucking anything. It's always important to keep a tidy workstation. All right, so today, where are we today, man? We have gotten through most of the fab. I've gotten everything made. Some small stuff I gotta do, air cleaner, but all the big ticket items are done. And like I've been talking about from the get-go, you know, I couldn't even start this bike when we started off at the dealership with it. And so the idea was I can't deal with that to get the look I want. So all the space harness and craziness, I cut out every wire, which everybody in the whole country has been telling me that I made a massive mistake. So basically, Jason did some research and found this. This is called Altmann. This is a company from Germany, and it's specific for the 117 Harley Davidson Breakout. So we need it to bump over, and I would love it for it to fire. If I can get that, then I know I can tune it. It's preset, and yeah, we're gonna check for some fuel leaks and see what happens. Fuck, I'm gonna puke. All right. Definitely been having a little bit of anxiety for this. You know, I wouldn't say that I'm an electronic wiring pro by any means. This kit was amazing and made it, you know, very, very straightforward, but man, I've taken so many wires off this bike and unplugged so many different things. But I think at the end of the day, you gotta remember, you have fuel, you have air, you have spark, you know, should run, right? Put some power to this sucker and watch. Shorts out, fucking game over. Another thing that I've done on this bike that comes along with the new Altmann wiring harness that eliminates every piece of the stock harness on the 117 is it comes with this manifold. The manifold's awesome because you can either do a Super E or a Super G. On this is a Super E S&S shorty carburetor. So carburation, complete chopper wiring harness and style really gives the vibe and the look of the bike, and it doesn't hold you back. Okay. That was a good sign, right? Okay, maybe this will work this time. Holy shit! Yeah, I melted the wire. It's easy. There we go. She runs. Yeah, I just fried that wire. They got a little loose. Disconnect that, yeah.